Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you all are fine and doing great at home. It's about a week that we have started our online classes again, and I hope that you all are doing your homeworks properly and completing the assignments on time and submitting them back on Google Classrooms. Today is 4th December 2020 and the day is Friday. So as it is the blessed Friday, let's all recite the Durood Sharif first and then we'll start our class. Come on everyone, recite Durood Pak. चलें जी, Alhamdulillah. It only takes few seconds whenever we recite the Durood Sharif, and on Friday we will try our maximum to recite. We should try to recite at maximum. Chalein ji, let's start our class today. Today the thing that we are going to do is a bit different for you because that is a new topic which is going to be introduced to you all. Any guesses? This is kind of creative writing. How many things are included in the creative writing? Yes. Application writing, character description, picture description, story writing, essay writing, application letter writing. These are all the parts of your creative writing. So today we are going to do the letter writing. In today's class, I am only going to tell you guys the pattern of writing a letter, and I will give you all a topic on which you will have to write the letter, and you all will have to submit the work back on Google Classroom. So I will tell you the pattern. There are two kinds of letter writing: the formal letter writing and the informal letter writing. Informal letters are mostly written to your family members and your friends, and the formal letters are most of the time written to your the special persons like teachers, directors. So they have to be very specific. You have to stick to your object, your subject. The letter that we are going to write today is to your friend. So how do you write letter? Whenever you are writing a letter, you have to mention whether for which you are writing it. Of course, you will be writing letter in your papers. So what will you write on the first line is examination hall, and then you will have to put a comma over here. City A, B, C. So after city you have to put a comma A, B, C. This city A, B, C is actually representing the addresses to whom you are writing the letter. जिसको भी आप letter लिख रहे हैं, you have to write the address of that person over here. कि आपने जिसको भी letter लिखना है उसका address कहाँ है, वो कहाँ पे रहता है, कहाँ पे उसको letter deliver होना है. So you will just write the address over here. But in papers you don't need to write the exact address of that person. You only have to write city A, B, C. That's it. Then you will write date. What is the date today? 4th December 2020. 4th with a comma after December in 2020. Now, to whom you are writing the letter, आप Dear Farhan, you can write any name over here. आप कोई भी यहाँ पे नाम लिख सकते हैं, फरहान, फातिमा, हानिया, whatever that is. आप जिसको भी लेटर लिखने हैं वो आप लिख सकते हैं. So how you start your letter? Right in front of that name, उसका जो भी आपके पास नेम है उसके मिडिल हाफ से आपने स्टार्ट करना. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Then यहाँ नीचे से I hope that you're fine. I'm also doing great, and so on. You can always write letter in the form of paragraphs. Okay? And make sure that whenever you are writing your second paragraph, जब भी अपना आप second paragraph लिख रहे होंगे, you have to write it the way that person is asked to write a reply. आप जो भी लेटर लिख रहे हैं वो आपने इस तरह से लिखना है. You have to end that with a question or an instruction to invite a reply, ताकि वो person जो सा है वो आपको उस लेटर का जवाब भी दे, उसको आपको उसका रिप्लाई भी दे. ठीक है? And end your letter appropriately. You can also end with best wishes या फिर yours वगैरह आप उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? तो आप उसको लेटर्स को हमेशा जो सा है वो 2 या 3 पैराग्राफ्स में लिख सकते हैं. सेकंड लेटर में आप उसके पर्सन के बारे में कोई बात करें. Whenever you are writing, you can, if I am writing to my friend, तो I'll ask that how you are doing, how's your course going, how are you studying, or I can ask him or her the patterns they are working on, the pattern they are working, कि जिस वे में वो काम कर रहे हैं आप उनसे उसके बारे में पूछ सकते हैं. You can ask them about that. So at the end, जब आप उसको लास्ट जो भी आपके पास लाइन्स होंगी, तो how you will have to end your letter. Say salam to uncle and family. This is how you give your best wishes to everyone, to their relatives, to their parents, to their siblings. ठीक है? Say salam to uncle and family, या फिर love to your brother, your sister. इस तरह से आप कोई भी ending line जो सी है with any best wishes आप उसको end कर सकते हैं. Then at last what will you write? From, obviously, कि किसकी तरफ से आपने उसको लेटर लिखना है? From your loving friend. From your loving friend, and then you will put a comma over here. Here you will write your name. From your loving friend Noorun Nisa. ठीक है? अब in your Google Classroom I will assign you all one topic on which you will have to do the letter writing. मैं आपको कोई भी एक टॉपिक दे दूंगी, उस पर आपने लेटर राइटिंग करनी होगी, आपने लेटर लिखना होगा. दिस इज़ द पैटर्न एक्चुअली आई इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू ऑल कि आपने पैटर्न ये फॉलो करना है. एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, सिटी ABC, then you will write the date, then you will write the name of the person to whom you are writing the letter, and then you will start with the formal things. Assalamu alaikum, I hope you are fine, I'm also doing great, and something like that. Then you will come to your main topic about which you are going to talk. Okay, and then you will use that, and at the end you will use the sentences about which you are emphasizing on the person, that how is your school going, and write something about that so that the person will reply you, will also write you a letter. and on the end say salam to uncle and family and something like that, and at the end from your loving friend, and then you'll write your own name over there. I hope that you have understood the pattern of letter writing. I'll also write the topic on which you will have to submit your work. And if still do you have any confusion, you can ask me. And please take care of the commas and the full stop that you have to put in the letter. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.